When you decide to replace the windows in your Pasadena home, you're making a significant investment in both the aesthetics and efficiency of your property. Whether you're upgrading to energy-efficient windows or replacing old, drafty ones, the installation process can feel overwhelming if you're unsure what to expect. Fortunately, understanding the steps involved can help ease any concerns and ensure a smooth, successful installation. Here's a customer-focused guide to what you can expect during the window installation process in Pasadena. Initial consultation and assessment. The first step in the window installation process is scheduling an initial consultation with a professional window installer or contractor. This consultation is an opportunity for the installer to assess your current windows, understand your needs, and discuss your preferences. The installer will take precise measurements of your existing windows to ensure the new ones will fit perfectly. During the consultation, you'll have the chance to explore different window styles, materials, and energy-efficient options. For Pasadena's warm climate, energy-efficient windows with low E coatings and double or triple pane glass are popular choices to help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Your installer will guide you in selecting the best windows for your home based on your budget, aesthetic preferences, and functional needs. If you're replacing windows that are outdated or poorly sealed, the contractor may also inspect the surrounding framing to determine whether repairs or additional work is needed. Choosing the right windows. After the consultation, you'll choose the type of windows that suit your needs. Whether you opt for vinyl windows, wood windows, or fiberglass windows, each material offers different benefits in terms of durability, maintenance, and energy efficiency. Vinyl windows are a popular choice in Pasadena because they are low maintenance, affordable, and energy efficient. Wood windows offer a classic look and excellent insulation but require more maintenance, such as painting and sealing. Fiberglass windows are highly durable, energy efficient, and offer a sleek, modern appearance. Once you've chosen the windows, your installer will provide a timeline for installation and help you finalize any details related to materials, colors, and finishes. Scheduling the installation. After the consultation and selection, the next step is to schedule the installation. The timeline can vary depending on factors such as the number of windows being replaced, the size of your home, and the type of windows being installed. Generally, the installation process can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. Your installer will confirm the installation date and provide a time frame, so you'll know exactly when to expect them. It's important to ensure that the area around your windows is clear of obstacles, such as furniture or decorations, to make the installation process easier and faster. Installation day. What to expect. On the day of installation, the window installation team will arrive at your home and get started. Here's what you can expect. Preparation. The crew will first protect your home by laying down protective coverings to catch any dust or debris. They may also cover furniture or flooring around the installation area to prevent damage. Removal of old windows. If you're replacing existing windows, the installers will carefully remove the old windows. This process may involve removing the window sashes, trim, and sometimes even the window frames if they're damaged or deteriorated. Frame preparation. Once the old windows are removed, the installers will inspect the window frames for any signs of damage. If necessary, they may replace or repair the frames to ensure the new windows fit securely and perform at their best. Installation of new windows. The new windows will be carefully set into place. The team will check for proper alignment and ensure the windows are level and secure. They will then seal the edges to prevent drafts and moisture from entering. This step is crucial to maximizing the energy efficiency of your new windows. Finishing touches. After the windows are installed, the installers will finish the job by reinstalling any trim, caulking the edges, and ensuring the windows operate smoothly. The installation team will also test the windows to make sure they open, close, and lock properly. Post-installation cleanup and inspection. Once the installation is complete, the team will clean up the work area, removing any debris, old window materials, and protective coverings. They will also conduct a final inspection of the new windows to ensure everything is functioning correctly. You will be asked to inspect the windows yourself and confirm that you are satisfied with the installation. At this point, the installer will provide you with maintenance instructions for your new windows. Proper care is essential to ensure that your windows last as long as possible, so you may be advised on how to clean the glass, maintain the frames, and check seals periodically. Enjoy your new windows. Once the installation is complete, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of your new windows immediately. Whether you're enhancing your home's curb appeal, reducing energy costs, or improving comfort, new windows can make a significant difference in the quality of your living space. With proper care, your new windows will provide years of beauty and efficiency for your Pasadena home. Conclusion. Window installation is a straightforward process that can have a big impact on your home's comfort, security, and appearance. From the initial consultation to the final inspection, the process involves careful planning and professional execution. By working with an experienced window installation team, you can ensure that your new windows are installed correctly and provide lasting benefits for your home. Ready to upgrade your windows? Reach out to a trusted local window installer in Pasadena today to start your window replacement project.